Hi, beloveds, and welcome to Tarot You. Today, I want to share with you what truly is the magic of a tarot spread and what it has to do with you. I'm Tonya Gonzalez, spiritual teacher, psychic medium, and tarot expert. Today, I'll be sharing with you one of my newest and most favorite decks is the Tarot of the Orishas. It's in Spanish, and so I don't know it very well. But again, we're only focusing on the images. Here in Tarot U, we recognize that the language of spirit that speaks to us is through symbols and signs. A spread is more than just picking cards. A spread is actually allowing you to create within yourself answers, guidance, clarity, and wisdom. Depending on what you see and how you see it as you shuffle and as you have a visual connection to your cards and then creating an energetic connection, you never know what's possible and what cards and how you may lay them out. When you give yourself a chance to truly tune in and turn on, your cards will create their own story just for you. Let me show you. We always start with the shuffle and shift. I've got some sacred tools, crystal as well as sound from my Tibetan bowl. That energy enhances the energy. I also have an incense going. Anytime or anything that you'd like to use to enhance your tarot experience, call it in and use it for yourself. I take a nice deep breath, I connect, I close my eyes, calling in the energy of the Orishas that are depicted here. What do I need to know? That is my first question and therefore my first card. What do I need to release? Second card. What do I need to embrace? Third card. And fourth card is a wild one, and I'm being guided to pick it from the bottom. And so again, without even having my eyes open, I've created an energy almost of a bridge. So I've got three cards here, or two cards here, one in the middle, and then one that was sideways. Again, I was guided to create this kind of a bridge, or, you know, it's two, and then it's one, and then one is vertical as the wild. And so what is it that I need to know? Again, I don't know this deck very well. However, from the images I can see here, there's a king energy and a cowrie shell. So I'm definitely sensing some sense of power there, just based on the symbols. What do I need to release? Here again, 4 cowrie shells. So it's telling me there's something I need to release, perhaps an old idea, an old experience. What do I need to embrace? Oshun. So I'm embracing Oshun. What a blessed message. Again, we receive exactly what we need. I need to embrace more Oshun. And my wild card, it looks like it's upside down and I don't know what this is Enli. And this is an Orisha that I don't know, but it is number 16. And so I do believe that this is the Tower. And so again, just based on the energy that's felt there, the wild card is telling me is to, again, and with that energy through the tarot, what I sense that is the Tower, very much like Oya, very much like Kali in the Indian tradition. And so tune in and turn on and let your tarot speak to you. You'll know exactly the spread and the story that your tarot are telling you, even the questions that you ask the tarot. Don't just continue to pick cards. Truly tune in and listen. I was guided to 4 cards, and isn't it interesting? I did get a number 4 here. That is the language of spirit. That is the language of tarot. That is the language of intuition. So tune in, turn on, and until next time, happy shuffling and shining. Peace and blessings.